Hello, my people. I'm aquatic scientist Davido, a young talented scientist. So, welcome to the field of aquaculture. If you are viewing this for your first time, kindly please subscribe, comment, like, and share. So, I will be showing you today how the eggs of tilapia looks like. I don't know if you can see them. So I've collected them. So I'm going to incubate them. So to be able to see the next procedure or steps that I will use to incubate them, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share so to see the next procedure on how the incubation is done. So for fish breeding, just DM me via WhatsApp number on your screen there, +254 115 60 72 30.